Hey guys, welcome back to Amateur Cooking with Jess. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make Agua Fresca de Jamaica or hibiscus tea. And hibiscus tea can be drank either cold or warm, but in this hot summer heat in California, I'm definitely going to drink it iced. And I love hibiscus because it has so many great benefits. It's high in vitamin C, it tastes amazing, it helps prevent hypertension, it helps lower blood pressure, it helps reduce sugar levels, and for women, it helps with cramping, it aids with depression, and it also helps with weight management. And I like to pair my hibiscus tea with mint because mint also aids in digestion and it helps with focus and awareness. So this water has it all. It's everything you want and more, and perfect for the summer. So if you want to know how I make my hibiscus tea, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Now for today's recipe, we will use a pitcher, some sugar, about 1/4 cup of sugar. It's all dependent on how much sugar you want, how sweet or bitter. A few mint leaves, I'll probably be using about 10 to 14 leaves. And 1.5 cups of hibiscus flower, and we'll be using a total of 8 cups of water. Alright guys, I have added 4 cups of cold water and 1.5 cups of hibiscus flower. Now it's important to note that we need to have it cold. Now I'm going to bring it to a boil, and once I bring it to a boil, I'm going to let it sit and steep for about 30 minutes until it cools. Now our hibiscus water has come to a boil. I'm going to cover it up and put it at the lowest setting and simmer for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool. Now that my hibiscus has cooled, I'm going to strain it into the blender. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. I'm going to go ahead and blend it all. Now that our hibiscus water has blended, I'm going to pour me a cup. And as far as the rest of it, I'm going to fill my pitcher with some ice, the rest of my mint leaves, and of course the remainder of the hibiscus tea. And it looks like it made about 2 liters. And there you have it, hibiscus water. So easy and such a great combination of flavors. You've got sweet, you've got tart, and so refreshing with the mint. It's so delicious, so refreshing. It's extremely hot, and this is just what I needed on this hot summer day. I hope you give this a try, as it is super easy. Like I always say, if I can do it, you can do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.